Do you ever find yourself asking for a sign, but you're not getting it? Let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. And today I want to talk about that sign that we're asking for, because we want to know that it's okay to do whatever and to move forward. And no matter how much we keep asking for a sign, we don't feel that we are getting it. So what's going on with that? I mean, what is going on with that? Well, there can be two different things. There's probably more than two different things. One is you are getting signs, but they're not necessarily the signs that you think you're supposed to be getting, or they're the signs to not do something, or that you already know the answer and Spirit is saying to you, you already know what to do. Have faith and trust yourself. Wow, that's a biggie, isn't it? Because how often are we willing to extend faith? Because we so much look to that outer world to make those decisions for us, to give us that guidance. And again, you might be getting signs, but you're not recognizing them. And I can give you some examples. So one is this: in my previous life, and I was unhappy in my relationship, and anytime I would ask God to give me a sign that what I was supposed to do, weird things would happen, like him call me from work and be upset that I put mayonnaise instead of mustard on his bologna sandwich, and he'd be really mad about it. That was a sign, but I wasn't seeing that. I was seeing that just as chaos in my life. And those were the kind of signs that I would keep getting. But what I thought I would get is, I thought maybe a knight in shining armor would ride up, galloping up on a horse and say, "Let me take you away from this." Maybe I was expecting a windfall of money so that I could feel secure enough to leave. So I had in my own mind what I expect the sign to be. And it's not always how we expect that sign to be. But the other one is deeper. And if you aren't getting these outward signs, it's because you already know the answer, because your inner voice has been telling you for so long what to do. And it keeps telling you that over and over. What you're looking for is somebody else or something else to validate that for you, to give you permission. And here's the thing: we give over our permission to external, outer authorities instead of being our own spiritual authority. So listen to that voice. What does it say, and what is it saying, and how long has it been saying it? It's telling you that for a reason. And it's a quiet voice. It's not often really loud, right? When my inner voice is loud, that comes up in something entirely different and new, and it will be like changing direction midstream, and it will be really loud and really clear, and I've learned to follow it. But the things that we don't honor is that voice that keeps giving us that whisper of, do this, you know this doesn't make you happy, or you know that this would make you happy to do. And we argue it away, and we're just too afraid to have faith and move into that. But give yourself permission to listen to that inner authority. Give yourself permission that if you're getting an outward sign, to pay attention and see, is that a sign? It might be. But what if you're thinking it's a sign, but you don't internally agree with it? That voice doesn't agree. Which sign do you listen to? The one inside. All right? So here's to trusting your inner authority. Here is to trusting the signs that you're being given from within. And until next time, namaste.